Is Iran's supreme leader about to fall? Whispers, rumors, and a sudden military rush. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri. The Middle East is holding its breath because something big is clearly moving behind the scenes. American war machines are on the move. That's right, quickly, quietly, and very deliberately. Well, the US military assets are being pushed closer to Iran now, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. At the center of this build-up is a powerful name, USS Abraham Lincoln, a massive aircraft carrier loaded, ready, and sailing towards a potential flashpoint here. No, this is not a drill. Reports suggest that the US Air Force refueling aircraft are also being repositioned. These planes don't move for symbolism. They move when long-range operations are being prepared. And yes, at the very same time, there are signs of possible escalation at Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, one of America's most critical bases in the region. Now, when bases start clearing out, alarms set ringing. But you know why now and why Iran? Because inside Iran, the streets are burning with anger. Anti-Khamenei protests are growing. They are deadlier, they are louder, and they are shaking the foundations of the regime. Every protest chant is being watched here. Every clash is being measured here. Because moments of internal chaos are when external power strikes. Well, is this about a strike or something even bigger? That is the bigger question here. In Washington, the White House is saying very little. Officials repeat just one line again and again. Only President Trump knows his next move. That silence is not calming. It is chilling. The most dangerous question is now being asked. Is the US preparing for a surgical strike, or this is about decapitation? About taking out the very top? Well, the name being whispered is the same one heard across Iran's streets, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Capture, collapse, or complete chaos, allies are nervous, very nervous. Regional partners are urgently urging restraint now. They are warning Washington that don't miscalculate here, because one wrong move, do not stay contained. Iran will respond, proxies will ignite, missiles will fly, and the Middle East could slide into a war that no one can control. This is how big wars begin, not with declaration, but with moments. With carriers sailing, with planes refueling, with bases quietly emptying, and with a leader in Washington who thrives on unpredictability. So, final question, and it is a terrifying one. Is this pressure meant to scare Iran into submission, or is the countdown already on? Because when aircraft carriers move this close, history tells us one thing: something unusual is going to follow.